Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my last video. This video is for Bill to answer his question. In the last video he left a comment about my ideal settings for photography using the G7. So I'm just going to kind of run through my basic settings that I keep my camera on. I always pretty much shoot in aperture priority, which is the A mode, or the S mode on the dial, which is your shutter priority. The aperture priority really allows you to adjust your aperture based off of your lens, and I always like to be at the lowest possible aperture for my lens. I think that always gives you the best possible image that you can get. And it's always going to be pretty clean. What I like to do though is I will use shutter priority and adjust my shutter depending on what I am shooting. So if I'm shooting subjects that are moving a little faster, I will adjust the shutter so that I get a much faster snap with that. Those are my two main settings. Everything else I pretty much leave in auto depending on which mode I am on. So ISO I keep set to auto, my white balance I keep that to auto, and then as far as focus mode, I really like the 49 area focus. Really good for different levels of whatever you might be shooting. If you are just shooting people, then the face eye detection is fantastic. You can see it grabbing my face, see the little box around there. It's already detecting it, which is really nice. Those are pretty much the settings that I like to use. Feel free to share what settings you use, and we'll go from there. Thanks.